In today's video, I'm going to teach you Salesforce ScreenFlow, how to use Lookup component. We'll start inside your Salesforce org. From the main Lightning experience, click the gear icon in the top right and open Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can build automations and configure features. If you see an option to open the full setup or advanced setup view, go ahead and select it so you have access to everything we need. In the setup sidebar, use the quick find search to look for flows. Select flows from the results to open the flow list. Click New Flow, and when prompted for a flow type, choose ScreenFlow. This creates an interactive flow that can display fields to your users, collect input, and guide them through a process. Once Flow Builder opens, you'll be working with a canvas and a set of components on the left. With a screen open on the canvas, drag the Lookup component from the components list into the screen. The Lookup component lets users search for and select a record from a related object, just like a standard Salesforce lookup field. Now let's configure it. First, set the API name. This must be unique within your flow and should follow Salesforce naming rules. Letters, numbers, and underscores starting with a letter. Choose something descriptive so you can easily reference this component elsewhere in the flow. Next, provide the field API name. This is the API name of the lookup field on the child object, the field that actually stores the relationship. Be careful not to confuse the field's label with its API name. They can differ. If you're unsure, you can check the field in Object Manager to confirm the exact API name. Using the correct field ensures the component binds to the right relationship. Add a clear label. This is the prompt your users will see on the screen, so make it action-oriented, like select the related record. Good labeling reduces confusion and improves completion rates. Finally, enter the object API name. This is the API name of the object that contains the lookup field you just referenced. Standard objects use their standard API names, and custom objects end with sfdc. Make sure the object and field API names align. Mismatches will cause configuration errors. A few quick tips as you finish up: consider adding help text to guide users and decide whether the field should be required. When you're done, save your flow and use the debug option to test the lookup behavior end to end. That's it. You've navigated to Flow Builder, created a ScreenFlow, placed a lookup component, and configured its key properties for a reliable, user-friendly lookup experience.